Welcome back to everyone. In this video, I will guide you how to add a fingerprint on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. After click on Security and Privacy, click on Device Unlock and click on Fingerprint. Enter phone pin, click on this icon and click on Setup. Got it, and you will see. And click on Done. You will see fingerprint sensor is added. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.